In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on Instagram stories. Recently, many Instagram users have been expressing their frustrations on Twitter about the new auto sound glitch on Instagram stories. Basically, the story plays with sound even if the phone is still in silent mode. According to some sources, this is just a glitch. So it's happening to iOS users rather than Android users. Usually you mute Instagram stories by sliding the switch on the left of your iPhone. However, this no longer works at the minute. The stories still play sound. So a few potential fixes that I have found are as follows. First off, use the volume down button on the right of your iPhone to mute the sound. Method 2 that I would try out is just close the app and then relaunch it again. Sounds so simple, but you'd be surprised at how this has fixed some issues. The next method is basically to check to see if there's an update available for Instagram on the App Store. The glitch might go away with the new version of the app. And then the last suggestion I would give you is use Instagram on your mobile browser or computer. Now, if none of these work, then you will just have to wait until the bug has been fixed. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.